Welcome. In front of me is HONOR MagicBook X16 PRO, and in this video I'm going to show you how to toggle webcam on your laptop. So the easiest way to do this is by pressing the F1 button in the bottom right corner of your keyboard, and once the light appears in the top right corner of the F1 key, press F8 button. This way you will disable your camera, and by pressing it again you will re-enable it. Alternatively, you can go to settings by opening the start menu, settings, Bluetooth and devices, select cameras, find your HD camera in contacted cameras, then select disable. To disable it, click yes to confirm, and to enable it, just click enable right here. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.